Hi, Linda. My name is Christian Renna with RenGen SEO. We are a digital marketing agency, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video for you to give you some free tips and tricks that you can use to increase your online presence on your own. And so, contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow and Realtor.com. And the leads that come through your website are going to be exclusive to you. So they're not going to be handed out to multiple different realtors or whoever's paying the most money to them. The leads are going to be yours because you own the website. So we're going to go over a couple things today. I noticed that you are a realtor for Long & Foster, so I am glad to see that you actually have that posted. One suggestion would be maybe put a picture in your background here to let people know you're a realtor, just in your cover photo right here. And that's going to help as well. So I saw you're a realtor for Long & Foster in Purcellville, sorry. And so this is the website. So I'm not sure how much pull you have, but we're going to go over a couple things. First of all, I would suggest getting your own website. But because this website, we're going to go to it, we're going to see our agents. We go to our agents, and then we're going to find you. But how many people are actually doing that? So how many leads are you getting every month from this website where somebody's going on, finding Long & Foster, and going to our agents, finding you, and clicking on you and giving you a call? I would say only you know that answer, but I'm willing to bet that you would like to have more leads coming in other than that. Basically, content. Content is king in the eyes of Google. The more content you have, the better. In all search engines, in fact. But content isn't just the words on your website. So first of all, get your own website. Second of all, focus on the content. Especially with real estate websites, content is so valuable. But it's not just the words on the website. It's also the photos, how the photos are saved, alt tags, meta descriptions, site titles, so on and so forth. And so the thing to keep in mind is that every photo that you upload to your website, you want to save it on the back end as a buyer intent keyword. Very important. A lot of times when we upload photos, they're saved as random numbers and letters, JPEG files, image files, random names. You want search engines read that. So obviously what you put in there is either going to bring you value or bring you no value at all. So next is citation. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. So that would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, the Chamber of Commerce. All of those are going to give you citations. And so I typed in Purcellville Realtors, and we got Atoka, we got Long & Foster, and we got Long & Foster. So Long & Foster is here, okay? But again, how many leads are you getting from them? And Long & Foster actually is doing a decent job. They're in the 3rd position here as well. But again, how many leads are you getting from it? That's the key question. So first of all, I would suggest getting yourself a Google My Business page. The thing I want to point out here is if you notice, there are other realtors that have them. Aaron Kavanaugh, Vicky Christner, Jay Ashton, Sherry Wilson, Kelly G. So bottom line, all of these people have their own Google My Business page. So get one. I'm going to use Aaron Kavanaugh's for the purposes of this video. A couple things I want to point out. Aaron has no reviews, but he's on the first page. So we recommend 25 reviews. Everybody knows the importance of reviews. Keep pushing those reviews. Aaron has none, so if you have one, you're going to outbeat Aaron in the map pack. So, fill out. This is a complete profile with the address, the hours, the phone. The other very important thing is photos. So, as you can see, Aaron only has one photo, and it's a Google Drive-By photo. Well, this photo doesn't count, so we want you to have 10 photos. And then again, we want you to save all those photos the right way so that Google reads it the right way so you make the most money. So, citation pack. 10 photos all saved the right way minimum and 25 reviews, and you can easily outbeat Long & Foster on the map pack first page. You can be here, and then you can get your website up here if you do the proper content on your website. You can be in the first page. The last thing we're going to talk about is backlinks. So what a backlink is once you get a website, so let's say lindajordan.com, lindajordan.com. Let's just call it that. So once you have that domain, Okay, wherever that domain can be found is going to give you a backlink. But not all backlinks are created equal. So you want your backlinks to come from sites that are relevant and not spammy. So do your homework with backlinks. For this video, we're going to use the longandfoster.com / Purcellville VA Realty. Okay, they have 20 backlinks from 3 referring domains, but if you notice, their UR rating is only a 13. Their domain rating is a 74, so they're doing all right. The thing to keep in mind is that you want your backlinks coming from sites that aren't spammy and sites that are relevant to the trade. So this is a prime example that not all backlinks are created equal. With only 20 backlinks, they have 74 domain rating, and they are on the first page for Purcellville. So you can do the same thing. Just remember, not all backlinks are created equal. And once you get your website, you're going to want to get yourself some backlinks. But other than that, I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks into your business to bring you some more money and leads. And so if you have any questions or comments, please do feel free to get in touch with us. And thank you very much for watching.